Dinosaur, and we have an announcement to make. Now, here's the thing. So before we do our walkthrough, here's an announcement. A few weeks ago, the creator, Sam, he just, shut it down for some reason because of GoDaddy. So, we're his current host. So, then, GoDaddy shut the whole thing down, and Sam has to fix it, and the good news is, it's fixed. And that's news. Anyways, the music's Legendary Starfy, and this is one of the really hard levels that people are so talking about. Alright, so first of all, you need to make your guys level 100s. We'll put new together on YouTube. And on the announcements on Sam and Dan's site, I think we put a comment on there saying Mewtwo and Mew made an announcement. It's true! Yeah. So anyways, you should also have your Dragonite out there. Oops. Okay. So here's the thing. Make your Arcanine. Oh wait. Sorry. We weren't ready yet to be saying. So now, Dragonite. Fire Punch. Well, if you have like a certain Pokemon, just make it learn fire, like something that has to do with fire. And fire is just what you need. You so need to have fire. And you need me or any other Pokemon that can learn it. So you learn Sunny Day. And Mew or any other Pokemon. Just make it learn Fire Punch. It's also good. And let's see what. Anyways. Now, Mewtwo, on the other hand, wants to make it learn Fire Blast. Make it really awesome. Alright. Put it on your fire moves, and you're good to go. And then put it, and if you have a Pokemon that's on a really good move and you want to put it on Sunny Day, switch back. Alright. And lastly, no, I think oh yeah, Ponyta. I don't even know why we're putting a Ponyta in it, but it has Fire Blast. So, anyways, let's start it. Alright, so basically the Pokemon are going to start up here. You're going to need a really good Pokemon to, go to their spots. Put your Venusaur grass type and learn Sunny Day here. And then, I'm sorry, I just need it. Now it's on Sunny Day, put it on Solar Beam. Alright. You should put your Pokemon right here. The other guy right here. Plus, you never know when these guys come. Trust me. Now, some people use heal on certain ways. Now we're on wave 1. And Mewtwo is getting hurt by the poison. Here's the reasons why you should make your Venusaur learn Sunny Day. Well, Sunny Day is just a move that makes everyone completely awesome. Use the power of fire type moves. Basically, one time we killed Celebi. And sooner or later, good Celebi is going to heal us up in each and every way. And basically, right now, use Rumi basically here. So, And if you want a really awesome Pokemon to join the action, please make it join the action. These Pokemon are going to come out from this area here. My mouse is pointing. So, yeah, if you want to trade, the profile thing is Misty. We have a bunch of different Pokemon to choose from. So we catch all. We just, you know the phrase, gotta catch them all. We catch them all. We put it on Sunny Day, of course. And then put it on Solar Beam. It's so simple. Even though Solar Beam isn't that much effective, but still, it's a really good move to use if you guys are new. When it's really sunny. And so we heal this. Now, more action. So now, Pokemon are gonna come out from here, so if you're a really good guy in that spot, then you do it. So, plus, it's actually really simple to just, well, that's everything. Plus, we're already on the 6th wave. It's so simple. One time we had trouble with it because we didn't have, like, not so good guys. And they're not level 100s or 80s. Or Ponyta. If you have, like, really good Pokemon, like, for example, Mewtwo, Mew, Venusaur, Dragonite, Arcanine, or Ponyta, just place it with the group. You know you want to. So, now Sylvia is healing us up for the next round. And that's probably enough. So now, this guy will kill us in like one shot, maybe. So, the guy with Fire Blast will kill that guy in one shot. Oops, we'll go back and make myself and Sunny do Sunny Day. Sunny Day! Okay, finally. Now, where am I? There's Mewtwo, and see more action, more power, more fire power. Ooh, fire power. Now, where the heck is that? And this way here. Wave 9 is passed. But we pressed Mew. Here's Celebi. Here he is. Taking his butt off. And now we go over to this zone. We may not kill him as a bunch, but Charmeleon is great for him. Alright. So then, alright. Now, we have our execute. Whatever Pokemon's gonna come out is gonna come out. Alright? He's over there taking care of Pokemon right there. So, now, let's see what we can do. If you like Pokemon sounds, this one is really cool. Alright then. So, alright. Alright, let's do it the time speed. Whatever. Now, let's put it on Sunny Day. Sunny Day! Anyways. Alright, what the heck? The music just stopped. Well, oh well. I guess that means we're gonna have to do this boring thing. The music will now be on. Bum bum bum. Anyways, this annoying music will now be on for certain purposes. The Starfy music stopped. And that means the rare candies are coming in fast. Back. Now. Okay, where's the action? Alright, let's play something. Here, pals, whatever. So, it means there must be Pokemon nearby. Check here. Something is whispering. Probably Yokai. I hear. So that means there must be Pokemon coming from right there. Okay, now I put myself in sunny day. Sunny day! Why isn't it working? There. That's better. We hear Sigamee and see what happens. Killed! Yeah. Where's Mewtwo? Alright, here he is. He's not doing that much. Let's place him somewhere else. Right about here. I hear pals. Let's try here. Alright. Alright, now we know where they are. It's over here. Oops. Oh my gosh. We were moving Dragonite. We're on week 15. What the heck? Where's the action? Oh well, we're missing out on the action. But now the Pokemon attacks aren't so powerful anymore because of that. We beat it! And now, we'll see you next time on Pokemon Tower Defense. Goodbye.